Thank God it's Friday. Whew. I am one tired chick. I did not get good sleep last night because that little fella over there doesn't do well during storms. I don't know how long it stormed. I think a couple of hours from like midnight to 2. And he was not having any sleep at all. He got up in my face and panted and licked me like, make it stop, make it stop. And I'm like, I wish I could, honey. I stroked his ears and I petted him and I tried to hold him and he wasn't being satisfied at all. He probably slept all day, making up for the sleep he lost last night. Come here. He is, bless his heart, nobody's here. Buddy, he's going down the driveway. He thinks he hears his daddy. Here we go again. Let me get a better view here. Ooh, I can barely keep this door open. I do not like storms. Buddy is waiting to go out for his walk tonight. But unfortunately, he can't go yet because it's still raining and thundering and a little lightning's out here. So he's gonna have to wait a little bit longer. Yeah, I know. You'll get out, don't worry. He's eating dirt and he's digging. Two of his favorite beagle things to do. Oh, now he's sniffing. He knows the video's on him, so he's playing innocent. I could look at these daisies all day. They're Shasta daisies. Aren't they pretty? Oh, did it again. I saw you digging, tried to get you on video, and you stopped. Coincidence? I think not.